2016 Jayco Redhawk 23XM for sale in Charleston, South Carolina. 29406 $52,000 or best offer. Get ready for your next adventure with this never-before-used 2016 Jayco Redhawk 23XM. This luxury Class C motorhome is 26 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 5 guests. Powered by a V10 gas engine mated with a 6-speed transmission that offers an impressive 300 horsepower. The interior is highly versatile and extremely spacious. Comes outfitted with 1 slide-outs and 1 awning. You can finally experience first-class residential living while making your traveling dreams come true, because this 2016 Jayco Redhawk 23XM is fully loaded with top-grade amenities. With only 890 miles, you can be sure to hit the road with minimal effort. This Class C motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Some of the amenities include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / OvenConvection MicrowaveFridge / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating that turns into sleeping area, TelevisionSurround SoundCD / StereoChairsStand up shower toilet, master queen size bed, storage, dresser basement storage, backup camera, power mirrors, and so much more. This 2016 Jayco Redhawk 23XM is exceptionally clean both inside and out. This Class C motorhome is the ideal environment for creating lasting memories with loved ones and friends, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This Jayco is priced very competitively. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your travels with this unparalleled 2016 Jayco Redhawk 23XM.